Hey guys, check this out. This is a spy camera, but also power plug. Let's go check this out. In this video, let's take a look at CAMDUCK. It is spy camera plus USB and power plug. You can find this in Amazon right now for under $70. First, let's do unboxing. Setting up is pretty easy. We are just going to insert the SD card. Use a tool that comes in the box. Here I'm going to use 64 gig SD card, but you could use up to 256 gig card if you like. Installing the app is very easy and simple. Go to the App Store and download CAMDUCK app and install it. Now plug in the camera in the socket to activate the camera. Install the camera in the app. There are two ways to connect the app with the camera. One way is to use the home Wi-Fi, or you could connect directly to the camera Wi-Fi. I recommend connecting to your home Wi-Fi so you could monitor your camera anywhere using the app. Let's go ahead and finish setting up the app. In order to complete your setup, your phone needs to connect to CAMDUCK Wi-Fi. The password can be found in the instruction manual. Once you are connected, it will ask you again if you want to connect to home Wi-Fi. Click OK. And it will ask you to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Now all done. Here is a quick look at the app menu. I will go over some of the important and cool features in the app. First, find a good place you want to place the CAMDUCK camera. As soon as you plug in the camera, it is activated. As you can see, all the plugs are fully functional power plugs. This includes USB ports too. First thing you need to set up on your setup menu is recording status. CAMDUCK has two modes. Loop mode is where camera records continuously, and when the SD card is full, it will automatically record over it. Other mode is alert mode. It will only record when it detects motion. Here I'm going to set up as alert mode. Unfortunately, CAMDUCK camera doesn't support night vision camera. If you want to look at the recorded video, go to SD file. The videos are organized by dates. If you click on the video, you have option to play the video or download to your phone. You can also download the video to your PC by connecting the SD card to your PC. As you can see, video files are organized by the dates, and you can play the video in your PC too.